Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to allow notes on Instagram Reels and posts. So let's get right into it. First of all, we have to go on Instagram and then we have to go on our profile and then we have to go on settings and activity. You will find the icon on the top right corner of the screen of your profile, and here you will see sharing and remixes. You have to hit on this and then you have to see the option which is allow notes on posts and reels. Make it enable. If you see this is disabled, so this option will allow notes on your posts and reels on Instagram. So that's it guys, how to allow notes on Instagram post and reels. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.